Let's make a Minecraft inspired fox. First thing we're going to do is take our core wool and make the body. And then we're going to make the head. We want them to be squared off. Going to cut out a section for the head to fit in and then attach it. Add our top coat. Going to make the muzzle here. We're going to add the little white stripe across the bottom of his face. Add the muzzle. Gonna put in a little nose, his eyes. Now we're gonna make the legs. Add a little dark spot in the bottom and attach them to the body. Now the tail, get that attached. Now we're gonna do his ears, teeny tiny ears. Add a little white spot, get him attached, and there he is.